Hi, I'm Ruben Saltzman with Structure Tech Home Inspections. Today's topic is new construction inspections. What type of inspection should you get? So there's three different types of new construction inspections that we offer. The first is a pre-drywall inspection. The next is the full inspection that's done before closing. And the third is the 11-month warranty or the 1-year warranty inspection that's done somewhere close to the 1-year mark after you've already purchased the house. So what type should you get? What's going to give you the best value? Well, let's dig into what these three types are. First, you've got the pre-drywall inspection. For those, we follow a set of standards put forth by the American Society of Home Inspectors, or ASHI. They talk about when these inspections should be conducted. They talk about which components are inspected for those. There's a lot of details in the standards of practice that ASHI puts out. And I'm not going to get into all of that here, but as the name implies, a pre-drywall inspection should take place before the drywall is installed. We're really focusing on structure and major mechanical runs, plumbing, electrical runs. We're looking at the roof covering. The roof covering should be done at that point. A lot of the time we can get up inside the attic before the insulation has been added, and we can look for air sealing. We also look at the outside of the home. Typically the siding hasn't been put on yet, but we can check and make sure that the water-resistant barrier is all intact and installed properly, openings around windows, doors, all that fun stuff. Now, these inspections typically take less than an hour to conduct on site, and they're priced appropriately. They're priced to reflect the amount of time that we spend there. So it's definitely the least expensive option, but really there's a lot of stuff that happens after that. I would recommend a pre-drywall inspection to anybody who has the luxury of being involved in a new home construction process early on. Now, if you're going in to buy a new construction home and it's already built, well, you don't have that option. But if you can get in there in time to get a pre-drywall inspection done, it is well worth your money. So anytime you can, get a pre-drywall inspection done by a private home inspector. The next type is the final inspection or the full inspection. That's what happens when the house is as close to completed as possible. Now, timing wise, sometimes we go in. I was just at a property this morning where they didn't have any of the trim puttied off. They didn't have any caulking. They didn't have any of the final painting done. They didn't have any register covers on. A lot of appliances weren't fully connected. Wasn't the ideal timing for this. Ideally, all of that stuff would be fully completed and the house is completely like walk-in, move-in ready. That's the best time for it. And that's the majority of what we do when it comes to a new construction inspection. I mean, if you're only going to get one, that's the one to get. And then the last one is going to be the 11-month warranty inspection. And again, as the name implies, these are going to be done somewhere close to the 11-month period, once somebody has been in the house for almost a year. Here in Minnesota, there is a builder's 1-year warranty. There's also a 2-year warranty for some other stuff, and then there's also a 10-year warranty, but the 1-year warranty is the most comprehensive version of these warranties. And for that reason, we do a lot of 11-month warranty inspections. It's almost the same thing as a full home inspection. The big difference there is that we're not going to be testing appliances. We do check to make sure that they're properly connected, but we don't go through every little cycle because once homeowners have been in a house for almost a year, they know the little idiosyncrasies of each one of their appliances. So I'd say if you've bought a new construction house and you didn't have a home inspection done when you first bought it, this is the next best thing. It's better to get it done before you take possession of the house, but if you haven't done that, the 11-month warranty is the next best thing. And so another question we sometimes get, if you already had a full home inspection when you bought a new construction house, should you get the 11-month warranty inspection too? And I'd say it depends. Sometimes it's worthwhile. If you had the first home inspection done and then you've been noticing things change and there's new concerns that come up over that time period, it might be worth having another inspection done, but most of the time there's not going to be additional stuff that comes up. Most of it will have already been covered during that first inspection. So I hope this helps clear up all of the questions around this. This is definitely one of the most frequently asked questions coming into our office when it comes to booking new construction inspections. Hopefully I broke it down good enough for you. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.